mga vloggers! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. At dito kami ngayon sa aking mga friends. Pupunta kami sa sa kainan daw. Magre-resto kami ngayon. Oh. Okay na ba yun? Gusto ko ipangilala sa inyo ang aking mga kaibigan dito sa Arizona. Ito sila, oh, mga best friend ko. Mga ano. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, welcome back to this channel. Oh, ano masasabi mo sa channel ko?
Channel ko ba yan?
Oh, what they mean is don't forget to post the bell button for the notification that you guys are updated on my next video. Ganon yun. But we are all together in the bar, but we have to do dyan lang muna tayo habang tayo'y naglalakbay sa highway. Ha?
Do you wanna know? Well, I think I will watch you. And I think I have to listen.
Asan na tayo, guys?
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so right. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry about tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if
restaurant. Pero ito lang yata ang nakayanan namin sa ngayon. Ayan o.
Thank you.
Uy, meron pa pala. Pero sa ngayon ay magluto muna tayo ng appetizer muna. Habang nilalagay pa niya yung mga side dish natin. Uy! Ang tipid naman ng edamame.
Thank you.
Oh, meron kaming tagaluto. Oh,
Paano mo yung bisikin Naalala.
Can we have the cheaters?
Oh yeah, I'm so
And then-
bad in that.
Sure. Good. And then also, can we order the gyoza and japchae?
Yeah.
Thank you.
masarap ba yun?
Parang pangsit.
Ah, oo, yung japchae. Japchae.
Pero tingnan mo te.
Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan.
May lakad ba?
Ayan guys, pag hindi kayo marunong magamit ng chopstick, may paraan tayo dyan.
Thank you.
Ito. Oh, ilagay lang ganyan.
Dahil tulungan mo naman ako tol. Okay? May pangalan naman.
Ito.
Sabi mo kasi dito wala.
Meron dito naman. Gina Chica pa.
Padaan natin.
Slow lang muna tayo kasi
Ang bango nito girls. Saan ka bumili nito?
Ano nga yung mas ito?
Girls, saan ka bumili nito?
Bath and Body
Ay,
Works.
Bath and Body Works to. Mabango siya.
sarap-sarap ng pagkain. Sarap-sarap.
But you guys want me to bring you the check boys right now to finish up?
Yeah.
Ano, check-in na tayo? Check out na tayo?
Yan, dadalhin niya lang. Parang bayaan ka lang.
Hang out as long as you want, whenever you are ready.
Thank you.
Ang maliit yung bagay pala ito eh.
Ha?
Maliit na bagay.
Kayo.
Kayang-kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo lang lang. Salamat.
Back to you, line man.
Kayang-kaya bayaran ng friend ko si Lionel. Kasi laki ng kita nito eh.
Wow. Sana all.
Nagtatrabaho yan sa ano? Ano trabaho mo, Lionel?
Secret.
Ano siya? Siya yung nag-hire ng mga employee. HR manager.
Wala. Fake news yan daw.
Hindi yun fake news, true news yun. Fake news, walang pik-pik. Fake news, walang pik-pik. Ang ganda talaga dito. I like this place. Tingnan nyo guys yung place na to. Ang ganda. Doon naman ako. Oh, ito
Sorry
na
mga
guys.
friend ko mga iPhone 11 tsaka iPhone 12 pa.
Ito guys, ang
I'll put this right back for you.
Thank you.
Tapos ito yung friend nilang mahirap. Una ko iPhone 7 Plus lang. Mga yayaman kong friend, naka iPhone 12 tsaka 11 o pa. Sana oil.
Sana magpa-picture tayong tatlo.
Ay, oo. Sabihan natin yung ano, babae. So, dahil super busog kami sa aming kinain, mag-ano muna kami, mag-shopping muna. Ay, sana all, maraming pera. Sana all. Maraming datong.
Sana all manyaman.
Sana all manyaman. Ayan ang aming, financier. Mga financier natin. Halika na at atin ang anuhin to. Ransakin nating tindahan na to. Inabot na kami ng hapon sa pamamasyal ng aking mga kaibigan. Going back home na. Ang ganda ng sunset dito, oh. Ganda ng sunset. Thank you talaga, guys.
You're welcome. Maliit na bagay. Ito naman. Ganito lang siya. Char. Charo.
Na-enjoy mo tayo.
Sarap.
Super na-enjoy ko talaga, guys, ang ating gala today.
Salamat sa libre.
Salamat sa libre.
Libre?
Magpala ka pa talaga. You will wake up.
Tayo lahat nag-chip eh.
Hindi ko lang nung libre. May panigin sa likod ko.
Ako magagabi na.
Focus.
Kaya nga.
Ang ganda talaga niyan sa akin.
Kaya nga, di ba?
No?
Huwag lang siya lang mag-ano dito. Magyan ng mga baha.
Ay, nako.
You will wake up in
Baka
my
na,
arms.
ganda-ganda ng panahon.
Kaya kailangan natin magpaulan.
Wag.
Babaha lang.
Gusto ko madalian mo, kapatid mo dali.
Tayo na ako tayo.
Tayin-tayin na daw siya. Kailangan na natin talagang umuwi. Oh.
Tingnan ko kayong video kanina, si Tonton. Ayun, yung sakay na baboy. Dali! Kapatid yung kapatid natin. God.
Ang cute kaya nun.
Ina.
Uy, nakita mo yon sa TV kanina?
Diba kung lang, malapit ka naman.
Alam ko lang iyan. Kasi speeding siya eh.
Dud.
Kaya niya kung paano kinain.
Dud.
Ay, ayun pala yung nabangga na ano.
Ay, dyan pala.
Oo, dyan pala yun.
Ay, yun pala yun?
Oo. Siguro ang bilis ng